Today I will tell you about how to remove old paint from walls before laying the base. This can either be plastering or laying the base over both films. In any case, you always need to remove the paint. Using concrete contact is unacceptable for me because of the price and because the quality has not yet been fully verified. The paint can fall off at any moment, somewhere in some place, if it's concrete contact. You can remove the paint using a regular axe, which is simply sharpened and with small rust spots, the paint comes off the wall. But this is very tedious. If the wall is hard, without a layer of sanding, the paint is thin, not much applied. It's very difficult to remove. Therefore, I would recommend using, for these purposes, the regular device, which is called Einhell. It's a good tool, proven over the years, and we use a chisel, a flat attachment, with which it is very easy to remove this paint in the future, as it is not removed, not relatively precisely. So we will need a portion of a sharpened chisel. Many craftsmen work with the help of the tool. I place it in the garden shed. We believe at 45 degrees. I tried it, of course, it works, but very slowly. The chipping and indentations turn out very small. To make a good notch, I recommend placing the chisel at a 90-degree angle to the wall. And they didn't really invent it, but it's not like that either. Just hold it. These movements can be made to the side, left, right, and in doing so, you will speed up the paint removal process and the creation of notches. This is my method, already tested, basically simple and effective. It's faster than piercing through, and the notches, because the plate is very hard, here and there, do not create the necessary channels for the cell glue to adhere well. And with the help of a calculator, it's very quick and reliable.